Let me give you 3 reasons why you should consider this 8.5 million bungalow house in Santa Rosa, Laguna. This housing lot is located in San Lorenzo Royal in Santa Rosa, Laguna, and the number one reason why you should consider this house is its bungalow. Ang dami-dami po naghahanap ng bungalow housing lot all over Laguna, and napakahirap po maghanap ng brand new, newly made na bungalow. So if you have been looking for a bungalow, I suggest that you inquire right now because this might go away very fast. Number 2, location. Bihirang-bihira din po makakahanap ng bungalow na easily accessible going to Makati, BG, and Alabang. Kaya po talagang napakaganda talaga nitong property na to. Not only that, this is actually located near Walter Mart, a UniHealth Santa Rosa Medical Center. You also have a badminton court, swimming pool, and a gym right outside the village na napaka-accessible. And it's also near New Valley, only just 30 minutes away, and malapit din po siya in some of the known schools here in Laguna. Lastly, affordability. For a bungalow housing lot that is located in Santa Rosa, Laguna, I still consider this house very affordable because napakahirap po maghanap ng bungalow housing lot. And pangalawa, ang mahal na po ng lupa. Kaya po, if you have the chance, I suggest that you grab this chance or opportunity to buy a bungalow house right now. Inquire from us in the contact details posted on the screen, and it's also in the comment sections. Bye guys!